Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix internet problems on OPPO A60. If you have issues with internet, you cannot access internet, then let me show you what you can do in order to try to fix this. So, the first thing that we can do is open the settings. In the settings, you want to go to connection and sharing, and here make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. Make sure that it is off, because if airplane mode is enabled, then of course the mobile data as well as Wi-Fi will not work at all. And then the next thing that we can do is go to either Wi-Fi or mobile network, depending on which doesn't work for you. So we're gonna start with Wi-Fi. Of course, we need to make sure that Wi-Fi is enabled. Then make sure that the that we are actually connected to the network. If we are connected and it doesn't work for us, then we can go to the network to find more information, and then we can forget and try to reconnect to the network one more time. If we cannot find our network, then we can tap on these three dots. I mean, if we cannot find it, but we had connected to the network before, we can tap these three dots before, go to more settings, then go to save networks, and over here you will find the network that you previously connected to. Now, and then if you have issues with your mobile network instead, then of course make sure that mobile data is enabled. And for the SIM card, make sure that the SIM card is actually enabled, because if it's not, then of course it won't work. Now, after you made sure that everything is working fine on this end, then the next thing that you can do is go to additional settings, and over here scroll down and go to backup and reset, then reset phone. And over here we have two options that might be helpful. The first one is reset network and Bluetooth settings, which resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network. We will need to verify our identity, so we can use the password, and then we can confirm that we want to reset. After you reset network and Bluetooth settings, you will need to connect to Wi-Fi one more time, and most likely in the case of mobile data, you might need to re-enable the mobile data, so go back to the previously mentioned settings in order to turn them back on and connect to your Wi-Fi one more time. If that doesn't help, then you also have to reset all settings, which is pretty similar. But this one might be working. This might be the fix for you. And of course, confirm that you want to reset all settings. If nothing else helps, then the last thing that you can do, and this should be done only if nothing else works, is of course the factory reset. So you can press erase all data in order to remove everything from your device to hard reset it. And of course you will have to go through the initial configuration one more time and set everything up again. So make sure to make a backup to not lose anything by accident. And like I said, I will just mention it one more time. Make sure to do this as the last thing, and only if nothing else helps. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!